In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quiz with Microsoft Forms. We'll walk through building a graded quiz that's clear, consistent, and easy for respondents to complete. Start by going to formsmicrosoft.com. On the start screen, choose the quiz template to spin up a ready-to-grade form. If you don't see that option, click the plus new quiz button to create one from scratch. Both paths open the same quiz editor. To add your first item, click plus add new. You'll see the question type picker. Select the format that fits what you're asking. The most common choices here are choice for multiple choice items and text for short answers. If you select choice, type your question in the prompt box, then enter each possible answer in its own option field. To mark the correct answer, hover your mouse over the right option and click the checkmark icon. This tells Forms how to auto-grade that question. For clearer guidance to learners, use the speech bubble icon next to any option to leave customized feedback. That message appears after someone selects that option, so it's perfect for quick explanations or hints that point to the right reasoning. If your question is a short response, choose text. Then click plus add answer to specify the exact word or number that earns credit. Microsoft Forms generally isn't case sensitive, but spelling must match, so add likely variants as additional accepted answers when appropriate. This keeps grading fair without manual review. Under every question, you'll find the points field. Enter a numeric value to weight the question, whether it's a quick check worth 1 point or a multi-step item worth more. Right next to that is the required toggle. Turn this on to prevent respondents from skipping the question, which helps you collect a complete set of answers. For math and science items, open the three-dot menu on a question and select Math. This enables a LaTeX-style equation editor, so you can write precise formulas, symbols, and expressions directly in the question and options. From here, keep building your quiz by clicking plus, add new, and choosing the appropriate type for each item. As you go, double-check points and required settings to keep everything consistent. That's the process for creating a polished quiz in Microsoft Forms. From starting the quiz to adding questions, setting answers, adding feedback, assigning points, and enabling math mode. Thanks for watching, and happy quizzing.